What is this feeling? I'm by myself? How is this possible? I don't have a list. I don't have a plan. I have like a general idea of where I'm going, but I'm gonna wing it. Hi everyone, Morgan here. It is time to put together a $50 budget bug out bag. I challenge Prepper Potpourri.
Okay, Morgan, that's a good challenge and I accept it. I wish both of us luck and may the best woman win.
I just went the wrong way. I'm too busy talking to you guys. So I challenge Prepper Potpourri to do this with me to make a $50 budget bug out bag. A while ago, I did a $100 budget bug out bag for Off Grid magazine, as you can see here. So if you guys want to go check out that article, it was a while back, but it was pretty challenging. I actually did it in Alaska, and we had a ton of options there. We have some good options here in Texas, but I wanted to be on a budget, so I'm going to go to a few various places. Let's see what we can find. I am not going to Walmart. That is the only place that I know I am 100% certain I am not going. It is almost 9:30 on a Sunday though, so there's only a couple things open right now. Our first stop is Target. Target is not exactly known for its outdoor section, but this is pretty dang sad. And everything was a little expensive, so I don't know what I expected out of Target. I don't know. Target was kind of a bust, but I did get a couple things, and I'll show you that in just a minute. Having kids, I'm always like, oh, I want to go to the least amount of stores possible, but I don't have the kids right now, so I am going to go to a couple other places because obviously I didn't get everything.
Not bad. We'll take it.
While you can make your bug out bag for just you as an individual or have your family in mind or whatever, I have to have my family in mind. So like there was a Life Straw there at Target, $17.99. Not a terrible price, but I really can't justify getting a Life Straw because my kids cannot use it. And, you know, I can get a bottle and just put it in the bottle, but they cannot suck through it. Even if I get a bag and squeeze through it, it is incredibly difficult for them to use. So I don't get straws or Life Straws anymore. So I'm going to have to think of something else for water. We'll do this. I'm going to Daiso because they have an incredible outdoor selection. Last time I came to Daiso, their outdoor section was much different. It had a lot more, so it was a little slim pickings here, but I was able to find a few things. I just wasn't exactly able to find everything, but I found a lot more than the other place. Stuff from Daiso has been acquired. I have one more place to go. Dollar Tree. Dollar Tree being a $1.25 now really messes you up, man. The lady in there also told me that everything that basically uses plastic is going up to $1.75. So not only did they switch it from $1 to $1.25, but basically everything made of plastic is now going to go up to $1.75. That's basically everything in their store. That's nuts. All right, so this is what we got.
Yeah.
Baby wants everything.
Some protein bars.
Yeah, we got protein bars. This is 10 of them. They have some good protein in them, so that'll be good. We got this little tiny mini stove, plus what baby has here. So this is gonna go on top and can boil water. This is gonna be our water source for boiling water if we need to. But I always like to have water in the bag already so that we're not having to find water right away and purify it and all that. I did find a lighter, and I can use any tinder or anything, any sticks or anything with this little mini stove, so I'm not too worried about it. First aid kit, that's essential. It has this little mini headlamp, and this is a multi-tool I think is essential. Now, I was thinking about shelter, and I got these 2 shower curtains from the dollar store. This will give us some good temporary shelter, and I also have this rope that she was playing with there to use to like set that up over stuff in the wild or whatever if we need to, just kind of depends.
Have some glow sticks.
Yep.
Glow sticks.
Got some glow sticks. And then I got this bag. This is from Daiso. This is for $8. So honestly, I was gonna use something else, but this works really well. Now, we're just gonna put this together, and there. Wow, so easy. The water bottles were too big, they couldn't fit in the side pockets, but that's okay. And this is not filled, which is good. You don't wanna like overfill your, oh, I'm sorry. You don't wanna overfill your bug out bag. So in the front here, I put easily accessible stuff, like I'm gonna want my headlamp, easily accessible. I'm gonna get some batteries for those. The lighter, I want easily accessible. Glow sticks, I want easily accessible right away, straight away. Multi-tool, I want easily accessible right away, and the first aid kit right away accessible. And then on the inside, you know, I can put the bag down and get this stuff like the food and the water and the pot and the shelter, stuff like that. So we have our basics covered here. We have food, water, fire, shelter, earth, wind, fire. It was slightly over $50. It was $52 and something cents. That dang dollar store, their $1.25 really threw off my numbers because I got the stuff and I was thinking it was $1 and I kept forgetting. And I did not include tax in this. I'm gonna go ahead and eat that tax. I think this is a great little starter bug out bag, and then you can go around and add your personalized stuff to it, like some clothes and other stuff you want to add to it. I need you to go check out Prepper Potpourri's video though on what she did and how she put together a $50 budget bug out bag for her in her area, because she's going to do different stuff than I am. She's going to have a different mindset. I have a mindset of family, for, you know, how I can consider the needs of me and my family, and she has a different consideration. So go check out her video, link down below in the description and in the pinned comment. So who do you think won? You decide. Let us know in the comments. Thank you to Prepper Potpourri for accepting this challenge, and if you'd like to accept the $50 bug out bag challenge, let me know down in the comments how you would put together a $50 bug out challenge or submit a video yourself. Conquer tomorrow by preparing today. I'll talk to y'all later. Bye.